Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Got my dually here, ready to be unmasked and moved out of the booth. Came in over the weekend. If you didn't see the last video, knocked out the satin black on the roof, the core sport, the bow tie, etc. Now it's time to get this thing out of here. It came out fantastic, and get Larry's C10 bed in here, get the thing cleaned up, looked over, and get it spot primed so we can prepare for the final push for paint with that one. So again, welcome back. Let's get this video rolling. Okay, so I got my box of goodies from Precision Replacement Parts here. I'm gonna get a couple of the seals put on the truck so I can get some of the interior stuff put in it before it goes completely back together. Some of the stuff might just be easier to do now while it's apart. Plus I wanted to kind of dig through the box, see what I had in here. One of the things I'm super stoked about is new bump stops for the hood. Got a little Bondo on one of mine I had to clean off this morning, didn't realize they were in here, so pumped about that. But anytime we ever need anything for any of the vehicles we work on, Precision's who we call. So I just wanted to show you guys what all this stuff is and it going on the truck, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Dang, these are for the doors. Come with the little, everything's here. I mean, it's pretty awesome actually. I was kind of stressing over some of the stuff not being new and some of it actually looking good and new and some of it looking bad, but it looks like everything I need is going to be here. Which even these, I'm pretty pumped on these because mine are far from in the greatest shape, and I just painted the core sport and thought, man, it's going to look ugly with those old ones in there, but got these too. we got Larry's C10 bed in the booth. This will be the last time, hopefully, his bed has to see the inside of the paint booth as Taylor is getting everything cleaned up and ready for seam sealer. And then after he gets everything seam sealed, it'll be go time to get this thing painted. All right, Larry, we got your bed, tailgate in the booth to get painted, finally. Dylan over here is getting everything finished up, sanded at the bottom. Taylor's making color, and before long, your bed will be painted. Thank you for your patience, we appreciate you, and we are looking forward to this as much as you are, seeing this thing finished up.
All right, so I'm gonna mix up the mid coat now. Some of this mid coat juice. All right, so as you can see, it does not take very much of the mid coat additive. It's about 3.7 grams of the additive to almost 300 grams of the DBC 500. You wanted to get it as precise as possible because I already painted the front half of the truck and I want it to match. So another almost 300 grams of reducer. As you can see, look, like, yeah, there's almost 600 grams of clear liquid in there to the 3.7 grams of the mid coat. Look how dark that is. It's like blood. But when it goes on the truck, it's very transparent. Make sure it's mixed up real nice.
All right, Larry, we got you all in base coat. We're gonna let this sit and cure overnight. First thing in the morning when we get in here, we'll get this cleared and we'll be officially done painting your C10. The rest of you guys, if you'd like to see what that looks like, or this truck assembled, or even the next truck coming in the booth after this one, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.